Give thanks to the Most High, the Creator, nature, the universe. How wonderful and pleasant it is to be in such a serene, quiet and beautiful environment. Look what the earth has provided for us. Things to beautify our eyes, to make an impact on our everyday. I cannot think of anything more beautiful than just the quietness of nature. Listen carefully. You can hear the birds tweeting. You can see butterflies flying by. And of course you can't smell the wonderful flowers, I can. But it is so beautiful. I wouldn't trade it for anything. Such peace of mind and tranquility. How beautiful. And this of course is in Africa.